Welcome to the All Sports Jamaica YouTube channel, your ultimate destination for all things sports in Jamaica. I'm your host, and today, I'll be taking you on an exciting journey into the world of Jamaican sports. From the electrifying atmosphere of the track and field, to the passion and skill of football, the grace of tennis, and the thrill of basketball, Jamaica is a nation that has left its mark on the global sports stage. And here at All Sports Jamaica, we're dedicated to bringing you the latest news, highlights, interviews, and insights into the sporting world of this incredible island. Whether you're a die-hard sports fan or just discovering the beauty of Jamaican sports, our channel is your go-to source for all the action. We'll be covering everything from local leagues and championships to national team performances on the international stage. But it's not just about the games. We'll also delve into the stories behind the athletes, their journeys, triumphs, and the impact they've made both on and off the field. Get ready to be inspired by the dedication, perseverance, and passion that define Jamaican sports. And hey, we know that sports bring people together, so we want you to be a part of the conversation too. Engage with us in the comments section, share your thoughts, and let us know what you want to see more of on our channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest videos from All Sports Jamaica. Join our growing community of sports enthusiasts and let's celebrate the spirit of Jamaican sports together. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video, right here on All Sports Jamaica.
Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and drop a wall in the comment section when you subscribe. Also, don't forget to visit us at allsportsjamaica.com and follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.